In this video, we will wrap up the creation of our customer registration form. In this final step, we will apply styles to the components and enhance the application's design. We will use CSS, a styling language that allows us to customize the components and layout of the application. The builder offers two options: Component CSS and Custom CSS. The difference between them lies in ease of use. Component CSS is quick and doesn't require extensive programming knowledge, while Custom CSS demands manual code input. Let's learn to use both. Click on the top box. In Presentation, click Add Class. Classes enable you to define styles that can be reused across different application components. Click to add and name it Box. Click on Background and choose a color for it. Activate the border function and input 15 for radius. This will round the box's borders by 15 pixels. Click Save to save the style. Now click on the customer label. Add a class named Title. In size, input 30 and select PX. This will change the label's size to 30 pixels. In color, select the font color. In margin top, input 20. This will add a top margin of 20 pixels relative to the box. Save the style. Although Custom CSS requires more code, it provides greater flexibility for applying styles to specific situations. In this form, we modified the field label, the behavior of the field when clicked, and the color of the radio button using the Custom CSS. To access it, click on Dev Properties and look for Custom CSS in the top menu. The code is available in the video description for you to copy. An important note: when using CSS through code, you also need to assign classes to the components. In Presentation, input the CSS class. In this case, since we want all fields to have the same style, input radio for the radio button and input style for the other fields. When you complete this step, run the form. With that, we conclude this video series. Creating a form in the builder is simple and quick. In the next tutorials, we'll cover the platform's key components. Don't miss out. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Builder, check out our other tutorials on YouTube. You can also reach out to us through our social media channels. Check the links in the video description.